guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a pillowcase for this body pillow, and it's really big. I got it from Ikea. It was only $9.99. This fabric that we're making our pillowcase out of today is really pretty. I want something washable. You know, I knew I was gonna make a pillowcase when I bought this because I don't want it to get dirty. They had it rolled up. I didn't know exactly how long it is, but I'm glad I have a lot of fabric. It was only $3 at the thrift store. So I washed my piece of fabric that I measured out first. And this is 19 by 50 and some like eighths. So I've already pinned up what I'm going to be sewing. I think it has a couple of extra inches width-wise and then length-wise. I actually burned a hole in this fabric trying to iron it after I left it in the dryer. And I had my setting up too high because I have a cheap iron. So I think I want to combat that by adding an extra piece of fabric to the end. And when I sew it, I'm gonna double it over. Let me measure that out now. Add just a little bit. And this actually isn't even gonna be long. It's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do is double this. I'm actually gonna have to take these pins out because I thought of the ruffle as I was about to sew. It's like I might as well do something extra because I am. So my right sides are together. I'm gonna put this in here just like that. So when I sew it, I should actually move this closer to this edge. Well, let me see, is it even? Yeah, so I'm gonna sew this. I'm gonna pin this back up.
I should do it the whole way around.
Fold this in half. And I'll take these pins out too. So just gonna fold this so that when it's sewn, to it. So this goes the same way, just facing inward so that when I turn the pillow inside out, and there's so many ways you can make this like a cleaner finish, but it's still gonna look really cute because I'm using the finished edges of the fabric. So if this was just cut edges right here that would be out, I would have sewn those together before pinning it in. actually need more pins. Okay, I got more pins. What side was I pinning on? Yeah, okay. I try to pin on the same side so when I'm sewing, it makes it easier for me to just take them out as I sew. It's little things that somebody might not think about, so I mention it. And making your own pillowcases for your new house, like, it's not only fun activity, but like there's some pride with that, you know, like I made that. When someone tells you that they like your cute little pillow and your cute little pillowcase, hit them with the, oh, I made it. And that's a nice feeling, you know? So now we're gonna sew. I'm gonna start on the side that I'm gonna slide the pillow into. So this is gonna be the open side. And you can see I have my pins. I have my sewing machine on setting 1.5 is the stitch length. Then I have the stitch width on 0. So that's just gonna be a straight line because this machine sews zigzags as well. I actually kind of want to go a little more in. So now I have finished my seam all the way around. I'm gonna make sure I have all my pins out and turn it inside out. Okay, so now I have my completed pillowcase. I'm about to cut the slits. And hopefully it's as cute as I think it is gonna be. Okay, so I finished cutting the sides of my pillowcase. Now I'm going to hem this side of the pillowcase that you put the pillow in. It's so big, but it's cute. I love it. the pillow looks on my bed.